from Sweden 5 years ago. And in that moment, there were already a relationship between Aramis and Point Logistics, and I believe it was related to the old warehouse. The purpose for me joining Aramis Group was that in that time it was decided that Aramis should build a new big warehouse, and not only a warehouse, but also a logistics center in collaboration with IKEA. When I moved here, we had a volume consisting only of Aramis goods, and the plan was to implement other suppliers. So that was quite a big difference when it comes to handling goods inside a warehouse and also in the communication with IKEA. After a few months working for Aramis, the first, let's say, big implementation was done together with Point Logistics, and that was the communication part with IKEA, the EDI connection, the order management system as we call it. And during this period, and that was 2014, I planned together with the colleagues the layout of the new logistics center, not only the layout, but also more importantly, how we are supposed to work inside the warehouse. And that was quite a big difference compared to how Aramis have handled the goods in the past. Warehouse management system, what is that? Yeah, that is to have control what you're doing inside the warehouse. How to put away pallets, how to store them, how to pick them, how to pick them for loading, etc., 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 and also the quality-related part. Aramis, as a company, didn't have so much experience in that. So, in that perspective, it was good to have Point Logistics as a, let's say, a partner in this with experience from other companies. So we basically developed together with Point Logistics from zero exactly how we are supposed to work, how we will use the system, and these kind of things. It was a really, let's say, intensive period, but we always had support from Point Logistics all the time. And I think it was also a good learning process for my colleagues, what we are supposed to do, let's say, in the next coming few months. This was in 2014. We had the order approval from IKEA, not only, let's say, from an order management and WMS part, but also the layout and how we were supposed to, let's say, handle everything. The first external supplier was implemented in March 2015, besides Aramis 2 supplier number. So that was, let's say, a way for us to prove IKEA, let's say, proof of concept, so they rely on us as a service provider, but also that all the systems was working according to the IKEA demand. And the demand from IKEA, as you may know, is quite high. We succeeded the first step, and after that we have implemented gradually supplier per supplier, and at this moment we have 8 suppliers in total implemented, the last one actually just a few weeks ago, and there are more to come.